Seemingly smooth and intact rail after prolonged exposure to train rolling, vibration, and temperature fluctuation develop various types of hidden structure damage. These invisible defects pose a major risk to railway safety. Traditional manual visual inspection can only assess the rail surface, making it easy to miss deep sea flaws. Portable ultrasonic flaw detection acts like a professional beat scan for rail. High-frequency sound waves penetrate the rail body, accurately locating internal damage down to the millimeter level, and systematically identifying safety hazards at their source. This includes rail inspection, wheel inspection, axle inspection, turnout inspection, and other critical component inspections. The Anyscan ultrasonic flaw detector, specifically developed for railway track inspection, features a lightweight, compact design that eliminates the bulkiness and complexity of traditional equipment. No additional supporting devices are required. A single operator can easily perform fast-track inspections. The device is suitable for inspecting all types of railway lines, accurately identifying various rail defects. It performs reliably on straight tracks, curves, turnouts, and complex welded sections, and operates stably outdoors, providing precise data for track maintenance. It serves as a mobile railway safety inspection station, effectively filling the detection gap of large-scale equipment, significantly improving inspection efficiency, identifying hidden hazards in advance, and offering comprehensive protection for safe and stable railway operations. BRK Precision flaw detection through advanced technology, safeguarding railway safety.